Join me as we dive into the vibrant world of the savory bean pudding, Moimoi, which brings a burst of flavor to any table. The ingredients for this recipe are a combination of blended honey bean, bell pepper, and onion. We also have seasoning powder, vegetable oil, smoked fish, boiled eggs, salt, and ground crayfish. Here are some helpful tips for making the perfect moi moi. 1. Use fresh high quality beans. 2. Soak the beans for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour because this not only softens them for easier blending but also helps with peeling the skins easily. For a smoother texture, be sure to peel the beans thoroughly. The smoother the paste, the better the final product will be. When blending, add water gradually to achieve a smooth and creamy consistency. Start with less water and then you can always add more if needed. Add some vegetable oil to the blended beans mixture and combine. Moi moi is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Black eyed peas are high in protein, fiber, and essential vitamins, making this dish a healthy choice. Next, go in with some seasoning powder. Add some ground crayfish. Add some salt and give it a good mix. Moimoi is a staple in Nigerian celebrations and gatherings, often served at parties, weddings, and festive occasions. It's a dish that symbolizes community and togetherness. Next, pour the moimoi mixture into the prepared bowls. You can also use moimoi leaves or aluminium foil, depending on your preference. If you're enjoying this video, please do well to like and subscribe. Next, add the smoked fish and boiled eggs into the moi moi mixture. While the base of moi moi is usually made with black-eyed peas, variations exist across Nigeria. Some regions use different types of beans, and ingredients like fish, chicken, or vegetables can be added for extra flavor. Moimoi can be steamed, baked, or even cooked in a microwave, allowing for flexibility in preparation. However, steaming is the traditional method because it preserves its moist texture. Now, place the filled bowls of moimoi mixture into a large pot. Moimoi is an excellent dish for meal prep. It can be made in large batches, stored in the fridge, and reheated easily, making it a convenient option for busy days. Add enough water to the pot to steam the moimoi, but not so much that it spills into the mixture. Now cover and steam on medium heat for about 45 minutes to 1 hour or until set and firm. In Nigeria, moimoi is often sold by street vendors and enjoyed as a quick snack on the go, showcasing its versatility beyond just being a side dish. There you have it! Delicious, flavorful moi moi that's sure to impress your family and friends. This traditional Nigerian dish not only highlights the rich culinary heritage of Nigeria, but also showcases the versatility of beans. Whether you enjoy it as a side or the main attraction, moi moi is a dish that brings everyone to the table. Some people like to pair their moi moi with bread, others like to pair theirs with pap, and still others like to pair theirs with custard. What do you love to pair your moi moi with? Please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching this one, no doubt you would enjoy watching the video showing on your screen right now. And please remember to like this video, comment and share. And if you're hearing my voice for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you will know whenever we post new videos. Your support really means a lot. And until next time, happy cooking!